September 16th, Saturday, 2023. I'm at Cass, West Virginia, about to ride the Cass Scenic Railroad up to Bald Knob. This is a standard gauge railroad. For some reason I thought it was narrow gauge, but it's standard gauge. Here's the locomotive. We've been looking at the drive line, and what we've figured out is that these big disc things here are U-joints. And then there's this sliding coupling here. And between the two U-joints and the sliding coupling, the drive line can transmit power through movement on all axes. Got a nice whistle. A shiny bell. Everything you need in a locomotive. We are currently on the second switchback, and there is another train going the opposite direction. So what he's going to do is pull up the switchback behind us and then continue on down. He's over there somewhere. We'll see him in a second.
It's trying to keep steam up. More modern steam engines might have an automatic stoker that feeds the coal into the firebox. We like to do things the old-fashioned way. A coal-fired steam locomotive will consume about 3/4 of a ton to 4 tons of coal on this excursion to Bald Knob and back. Matthew will have to shovel all that coal by himself, one shovelful at a time. By the time we get off work this evening, he won't need to hit the gym for a workout. He'll done had his for the day. Welcome to Bald Knob. We're going to be stopping up here at Bald Knob for about 20 to 25 minutes. You're also to get off the train if you would like. Please use only the steps that the brakeman will be putting down for you. If you listen for the whistle on the engine, you'll know that it's time to get back on board. We'd appreciate it if you would do so as quickly and safely as possible in order to stay on schedule. There are restrooms in the gray building on the hill. Since there are no trash cans up here at Bald Knob, we ask that you please return all trash to the train and place it in the provided cans on the cars. Again, we're going to be up here for about 20 to 25 minutes. Enjoy your stay up here at Bald Knob.
Alright, there's the viewing platform. I didn't get any shots from that because I took too long to eat my lunch. We're about to leave. So we're at Whitaker where they have a big skid loader and a skidder and a log loader and a fire tower. And over here, there's kind of a simulated old railroad camp, or logger camp, I guess. Okay, reboarding the train at Whitaker now for the last 4 miles down to Cass.